Yeah, so hello guys, you're welcome again to my channel. So today is Friday and we don't usually trade on Friday, so I'm making the end of the week review for you guys to see the analysis we made, the one that went to our profit and the one that we made some lose on. So I'm just here to show you and to review our analysis throughout the week, how it all goes and how everything goes, my profit for the week and how much I'm leaving the market with for the week. So guys, here in this video, this is what I'm here to talk about and to show you guys. So let's go right here into the video. So let's go to my Gbpjpy, because this week could trade Gbpjpy throughout the week, and I would love to show you all the trade on my prop firm. So I'll be showing you all the trade on my prop firm also, for you to confirm that I didn't just analyze and just drop it and go. I analyze and I enter the trade. If I analyze, I definitely enter the trade. I don't just do the analysis. I'm an analyst and also a trader. So let's go here into the video. You can see here on the Gbpjpy for the last trade. I'll start from the last trade, show you my entry. So I show you where I wanted entering from. I showed you how what I wanted seeing before I entered, and immediately I saw it, I didn't hesitate. I just have to enter. So this is how it goes. So this here, you can see this is the Gbpjpy on the 4-hour time frame. So this line you will see here, the market has been consolidating for a while on this zone. So let me delete this in. So the market has been consolidating on this zone. I'm expecting the market to get to this point. Delete. So I was waiting for the market to get to this point to retest on this zone. This week you can see here. So I was waiting for the market to retest, then I sell. That's what I was waiting. So the line I just delete from the chart, that I drew it before now. So I was waiting for the chart to get there. I was waiting for the market price to get there, then I can go on a sell. So it will come close. I didn't sell, I will leave it. I was waiting for that particular zone, so I will leave it. It will come, it will consolidate, it will come, it will go back again. With all the moves and the ups and downs, the consolidation, I just know that immediately the market should get to that particular zone. I'm going to enter. So getting there was yesterday, which is Thursday. So it get there yesterday, so I came on to make the video for you guys that I'm about entering this trade. It just got to my my level, so I entered this trade immediately from this zone. So let me show you the zone I entered. I entered the zone which my arrow is going, my toes is going to point right now. So I entered immediately from this zone. The market reached here, retest here. I showed you this point, these 2 points. I showed you that the market have come to my zone here, so I'm going to enter. So I entered immediately from that zone. So my entry, I waited, it moves a bit somehow, but I just left the trade. So I left the trade and it ran down to my profit target. So we made profit on this trade, which was yesterday Thursday. So you can see coming to this side is already, we have already took out our profit. So let me go to my dashboard on my prop firm. So I'll show you the trade there, so you know I truly entered the trade. And also this trade, I told you that is because I'm entering because of this zone. You can see. So let me extend this line. Even if I didn't extend it, I know the zone I'm waiting for, but for the sake of clarity, I'm going to draw it upper. So you see. So that's the zone I'm waiting for on a sell. So it came to the zone, I sold and made profit. I determined my loss before now. Okay, so on this is my account. This is my challenge account here. You can see this is my challenge account. So on my challenge account, you can see also that I entered the trade. This was when I set my stop loss. So I determined my loss. And how did I determine my loss? So after I saw it retest to that zone which I was waiting for, which is this zone, I said, okay, if there should be any pullback or there should be change of trend, if it should go above here, that's I'm wrong. I that's wrong. I am wrong in my entry and in everything. So I said I have to set my stop loss here above this zone. So immediately I know that if the market should cross this here, I'm out. And it's not that it's a low risk, it's a low risk trade. So that's where I set my stop loss. I set my stop loss there and I entered immediately. So I'll delete some of this stuff so you can see better. So I entered immediately from that zone, from this zone here, and it run down to our take profit. It hits our take profit. It went more. You can see. And let me show you my. I want to show you my profit there which we made. So let me show you here. So these are profits which we made on the Gbpjpy. So this is the profit we made on the Gbpjpy for the single trade, not for the whole of the week. So I'll also show you for the whole of the week the profit we made and the loss. So this for the whole for just yesterday, and this one also. So I took 2 trades on the Gbpjpy, but I have to minimize my risk, so I closed out on one and I left the other one to run to take profit. So that's it. So from 24 hours, let's go to 7 days so we can see all. So this is my 7 day so this is for the 7 days. For the 24 hour, let me see. For the 24 hour, that's yesterday, the 24 hour from the start of the time I start trading yesterday, I made the total of $46, and you can see it here. So that's only for 24 hours. So let's go for 7 days. That's 7 days making a week. So let's go for the 1 week. How much did I make for the week? So for the whole week, and how many trades did I take for the whole week? So for this week, let me start. For this week I made $76. So I made $76. The last week was about, is it 100 or 50? It was 100 or something. So I made $76. And let's start from the beginning of the trade which we took. So it was Gbpjpy all through. It was Gbpjpy all through this week. So on the first trade, okay, so this should be the 27th for the last week, on 21st, and today is 28th, which is Friday. So we say 21st to 27th because it was yesterday we trade last. So 21st to 27th, that's 7 days. Yeah, that's 7 days. We call it 7 days. So on the 7th, so during these 7 days, and we sold. So you know where Gbpjpy is somehow bearish in our overall trend. We are bearish on the Gbpjpy, so we sold most times, and I closed my lows. I closed most of my lows here. You can see I closed most of them. I only let my profit run and I closed out on my losses. If I'm going to a loser, I know that okay, let me wait for a retest. Okay, let me wait for a certain level. I closed out immediately. So that's why I didn't lose much. It was just $6. My highest lose was, is it not $6? Let me check. Okay, it was 18. Okay, my highest lose was $18. Yeah, that's my highest lose. That's my highest lose. My highest lose for this week was $18. So my overall profit, my total profit is $76. We are taking $76 from the market this week. So we are taking $76 addition to our balance. So our balance is now 4,800. So in 200 right now, I'll be back on break even, back on to the 5k account. So I'm minimizing my risks, coming from a deep drawdown, but now it's coming up from 4,600 now. From 4,600 I'm in 4,800 right now. So I'm building back this account, as I said. So for the week, this is all we have here, and this is the review I'm here to make for you guys. So you can always follow on my setups, you can always follow on my trade. If I win, you win. If I lose, you lose. That's it. So next week we'll go again. And guys, I love you all. Thanks for the support and everything. Thanks for the comments, the shares, the likes, and all your supports here in my channel. So guys, I love you guys. Peace.